Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to back up chats in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to back up chats in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp app on your phone. And after that, after opening your WhatsApp, guys, you'll be landing on this interface, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and tap on settings. And over here on this panel, guys, you can see the chats option available for us just below the avatar. Tap on chats, and over here, guys, if you scroll down, there is the chat backup available for us. Tap on chat backup, and over here, guys, you can see a lot of options available for us over here. Now you can include the videos backup using your cellular if you want to, but if you don't want to, if you just want it on Wi-Fi, tap on toggle icon to turn it off. And with that being done, guys, you can see the Google account which you want to select for backing up your chat. I'll be just tapping on cancel right now and tap on backup, and it will be backed up on your phone, guys, on your folder of your WhatsApp. But if you want to back it up on your Google account, tap on it, choose your Google account on which you want to back it up, guys, and after that it will authenticate with your Google account, and tap on allow and tap on backup. Then, guys, your backup of your WhatsApp will be available on your Google account as well. And with that being said, guys, this is how to backup chats on WhatsApp on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.